Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Shamsa. Today's video, it's a morning cleaning motivation. I'll be cleaning my kitchen, which is in need of some serious cleaning, as you guys can see my stove. So I hope to motivate you guys along the way. If you are cleaning with me, let me know in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, I hope that you would consider to subscribe. I upload videos on cleaning motivations, vlogs, anything motherhood, homemaking related, you'll find it here. So I hope that you would consider to click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that way you'll be notified whenever I upload. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back and showing your support. Don't forget to comment it down below, like and share. So I started off by removing the stuff that was on top of the stove, and I sprayed it with that oven cleaner. I find the oven cleaner to work on it, so I just let it sit for like 15 minutes and then I'll wipe it down later. But while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna clean the countertop area and also the backsplash tiles. Microwave came in with, like, when we moved in the house, we barely used this microwave. It doesn't even like heat up things, so it's basically just there for like as a vent, to just let out the air whenever I'm cooking. We have our own microwave, so that's what we use, but I'm just gonna wipe it, so just like the exterior, and then that's it, because we don't even microwave anything in there. So moving on back to the stove, I spilled like chai on the. I was making chai for myself, and it accidentally like overflowed, so it got spilled on top of the stove. I tried to clean it off, but it was stuck on there. So I I tried with like the glass cleaner. I used my razor to scrub it off. It wasn't coming off. So my last resort was to try the oven cleaner because it worked for me before and it wasn't budging. So I had to try multiple attempts, but in this video I was unable to get it off, but I finally did got it off. I had to use one of the metal, what is it called? The scrapers, like the ones that you use for the pots and stuff, and it finally came off. So I love this stove, but the only thing that I don't like about it is like when something spills on it, it like literally gets stuck on it. Like it's really hard to get it off. But other than that, it's a really cool stove. So next up, we're moving on to the microwave, and the microwave is one of the neglected areas that I always forget to clean here. This video I filmed it right after I dropped off the kids at school and everything. Um, Before they went to school, they I made them some breakfast and stuff, so it was just dirty in there. I'm actually glad that I remembered to clean it. So this is a reminder to clean your microwave. And guys, to clean the inside of the microwave, I'm not using anything harmful. I'm just using some dish soap and water. That's it. That's just to clean my inside the microwave. You can put like some water in a cup and just let your microwave run for like 5 minutes, and the steam and everything that will clean it up. But I'm just using some dish soap and water to clean the inside of it. And here we go. We have so many dishes in the sink. There's always dishes that need to be cleaned. Even though I have a dishwasher, I'm always cleaning dishes. Okay, guys, I don't know about y'all, but I love hearing the sound of water or just something being cleaned. It just is so satisfying to me. So I included that little clip. I hope that you guys enjoyed. And here was just a little clip of me attempting cleaning magic for you guys. So next up, we're moving on to the refrigerator. I have this stainless steel refrigerator. It gets dirty fast, and I would clean it in the morning and in the evening time. By the time it gets to the evening time, it's already dirty, like with handprints and food. So I had to take care of that. I'm using my stainless steel appliance cleaner by Women. I love this. It polishes, it makes it look like brand new. Well, guys, today's video is almost coming to an end. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you made it all the way here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, I would love to have you. I upload videos on cleaning, motivational videos like this, motherhood, lifestyle, vlogs. So anything homemaking, you'll find it here. So be sure to click on that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, comment, and be sure to share. Thanks so much for being here with me, and I will see you guys in my other video. Bye.